So viewers, here is what you will need to do gas welding. First of all, this is the iron wire which is used. It's usually, I think, of 2 to 3 millimeter of thickness, and you need a welding torch. So this is a basic welding torch with a common welding tape attached. So that's what you need to weld, and now I'm going to show you a demonstration how to do gas. एक मिनट ना बंद करके शुरू से चलाओ. So here's first of all you need to turn on the red bulb which is on the upper side of the torch. It will turn on the gas. So after turning on the gas and lighting it up, then you have to turn on the lower valve which is on the lower side of the welding torch. It turns up the oxygen. So after turning on both the valves and making the flame fine, you just need to heat up the surface with two surfaces which you want to weld, and then with the help of the welding wire you start soldering it. So here you need to just have to take care of one thing, that is there is a difference between the two sheets which you are welding. This is a pipe as it has difference between the gauges of the sheet. So you need to warm up the sheet which is of the higher gauge. You have to make it red hot and do not melt the other sheet. And after making it red hot, then usually you don't have to melt the wire, but just touch the wire on the spots which you need to weld and they will be welded. So as you can see, there is a nice one. So as you can see it again, we are just getting the metal red hot and just touching the wire and it starts welding. The camera is not just catching because of the flame. So that's how you cut out the wire. You can also do it with the help of torch or grinder, but you can also do it with the bigger pieces. So there is a nice thing there. We are doing welding this up. Just show you. There is one of the both surfaces and keep touching the wire and get welded. So that's how you weld a nice thing. This is usually a silencer of a bike that we are modifying this time. So this is what we made. We're just gonna weld it together so it would look really nice. And we're also gonna show you that how you can make a hole in any of the seat or pipe or whatever you want to use with the help of the welding torch. So as you can see, just warm up the red, make the sheet red hot, and then hold the torch diagonally. So when you will hold the torch diagonally, it will start cutting the metal. So whatever shape you want to cut, you can do it by diagonally holding the torch, and like this you can cut. As you can see, there is a hole in the camera. Here you see. You can only do it by holding the torch diagonally. If you will hold the torch straight, it won't make a hole or won't cut. It will just boil up the part in front of the torch and will not make a good hole. So there's how you cut a hole. Hold the torch diagonally according to the surface and move it forward. So thank you viewers for watching. For any kind of question, answers or more content, subscribe our channel and comment in the comments.
Yeah. I don't even know what else to say. Let that 808 right out.